Hey, good evening. My name is Beth Davis. I'm a founding leader here with Epicure in the United States, and I live in St. Helens, Oregon. I am married to an awesome man named Woody Davis, and together between us we have 5 kids ranging in age from 22 to 12. So it's a busy household, and I'm just really excited to be here with you. I love the fact that Epicure has given me a flexible work schedule, and so I want to dive on in and just kind of get to business. So earlier in the week you saw that I hopped on and did a little intro about how this is a very short virtual class. So again, the party is going to close tomorrow. So stay tuned, stick with me through this short demonstration. When you have questions, feel free to type them. I'm actually on my computer watching with you. I can answer your questions as the demo goes along. So again, I want to thank the host for being with us tonight and inviting all of you. So really quick, tonight's cooking class is really about how Epicure is fast, easy, delicious, healthy, and budget friendly. So whether you're cooking for 2 or 10, Epicure is versatile and can work for pretty much anybody. And I'd like to kind of show how that can all work out for you. So there are some posts and videos that are in the Facebook group. Feel free to peruse those. Focus on the never ever list. It's all the things that are never included in Epicure's products, and that's really what drew me to the company, because 2 of my children and myself have to be gluten-free for health reasons. So 100% gluten-free, nut-free, 80% of it's vegan, 95% is dairy-free. I'm trying to think of all the frees. There's tons of them. So regardless of your need, Epicure can fit that. No artificial colors, flavors, all that good stuff. So really quick, this is a Canadian company that was established 23 to 24 years ago and recently launched just under 2 years ago here in the US. So July of 2019 is when Epicure launched in the United States, and it has just seen tremendous growth, especially through the pandemic. So here we go. Get your pen and paper, and I just want to highlight how it's budget friendly. Average cost for your family is going to feed it's about $2.50 per serving. By the time you add your groceries and your Epicure seasonings, Epicure just makes it simple and delicious and healthy. So what we're doing tonight is an Epicure Fiesta. And so I'm making fajitas in our steamer. I'll tell you more about that. You see a tiny bit of seasoning in there already. I had a jar that was almost empty, and I just decided to toss it in there. So what I've done is I have put chicken and bell peppers in my steamer, and I am just going to use my 4-in-1 spice spoon. You can see how it has the different measurements here. And I'm just going to add about a tablespoon to my pound of chicken, and I have about 1.5 bell peppers in here. So, and honestly, I will just kind of stir this up with my spoon. I won't be using this one again anyway. And we'll just coat the meat and the veggies with that seasoning. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna toss this in the microwave. And I know that people have kind of moved away from microwave cooking, but the steamer has made it possible to do this safely. And so this is 100% silicone. It's bisphosphate free. There's no chemicals that are gonna leach into your food. And what the microwave does is it heats up the water molecules of the food. It causes them to vibrate. And as they release steam, it traps the steam in here, and the steam cooks the food. So you're not losing your vitamins and minerals by cooking in water, and you're not adding extra fat by cooking with oil. And it's done in a fraction of the time. So I'm gonna start with 6 minutes. My microwave is a little bit slow, so we'll check in 6 minutes and just see how close we are to being done. Okay, so while that's going, I will show you just how quick it is to put all of this together. I have 3 avocados here, and I went ahead and separated them out just for the purpose of the demonstration so you guys could see how quick and easy it is. It really didn't take long to peel them and cut them up. So what I'm actually using, you might be going, what is that thing you're using? So it's one of these, it's, oops, I just dropped some avocado. It's a ground meat separator actually, and it only has 3 fins. You can see it better when I hold it against my dark apron, which causes the food not to stick to it, which is really, really nice. I have had others in my kitchen that have more fins, and then I'm always having to work to get the food out from between it, and this just comes clean a little bit easier. So I'm going to mash up the avocado, so it's really versatile. In other words, I can use it for mashing avocado, I can use it for mashed potatoes. Someone the other day showcased how they made their strawberry jam with it, so it's nice. It doesn't just mash like, you know, the old ones that looked like an accordion. Those just mashed everything. This actually kind of cuts it apart and separates it so you don't end up with just mush. It kind of cuts it while you're doing it. So this looks pretty good. What I'm going to do is our guacamole seasoning is amazing, and all you have to do is mix a couple of tablespoons with your avocado. So let me just put this right over here. So again, these, if you're gonna buy anything with a jar, I would recommend you get the 4-in-1 spice spoon. It's so easy, it just fits right in here, and then I'm not spilling all of my spice blends all over the countertop. So cleanup is a little bit easier that way. And then I'm also not wasting it and having it go into the garbage. So I'm just going to stir this up a little bit more and blend those flavors together with the avocado. It's dairy free. Our stuff is sugar and sodium conscious, so you don't have to worry about the company sneaking in added sugars and salt if you have dietary restrictions. And if you find that maybe it needs a little bit more salt, then you get to control how much you add. So I had a little bit of avocado stuck here. And then I'm going to take a lime, and I'll show you how this citrus press works. It's amazing. So the green is for the lime and the yellow is for the lemon. And a small lime just fits right in there. And I go ahead and put the cut side down. And then when I squeeze it, I get all of the lime juice out of it. It actually inverts it. It completely turns it inside out. I get all the juice out. Yep, there's none left. I'm gonna stir this up with the avocado, and the seasoning and the guacamole is ready. So this is just super simple and easy. And I will tell you, for me, that is really important because I do not have the type of ninja nose where I can smell a seasoning and go, oh, that would taste good, and mix my spices together. That's just not a gift that I have. My husband has that gift. He's very good at it. So for me to just be able to pour something in and it tastes right every time, it's predictable. I don't have to worry about it like not turning out because it's the same thing every time. So there's our guacamole. It's ready to roll. And then if you would like fresh salsa, and we do at our house, I just take a can of crushed tomatoes. This time of year, we have the privilege of growing tomatoes, and you can take fresh tomatoes from your garden and you can either dice them or crush them using, like, put them in a blender on low and kind of do that. I am going to add a little lime juice to this. And then I also have salsa seasoning. It's called Poco Picante. And so I am going going to take, again, my spice spoon, put it in here. I'll do a little over a tablespoon. So the directions actually say stir 2 tablespoons of mix in with 1 cup of diced tomatoes, and that's too strong for my family. And so the nice thing about Epicure is you can make it what you want for your family and for their taste. So we like a mild salsa, and this just has really great flavor. And my kids, especially my daughter Lucy, really likes chips and salsa and chooses that, and it's just a healthier option. There's no added sugars or anything in it. So the salsa is now ready too. And we have about 11 seconds left, and I will get the fajitas out of the microwave. Let's see, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, so this is nice and hot, but I don't think it's quite done yet. We'll take a look. Ooh, it's close. You can see the steam coming up in front of my glasses, actually. And I'm gonna take these grip and grab tongs. These are amazing, y'all. They are steel reinforced on the inside and then silicone. So they have nice grip and I have good control over them. Wow. This might be done. I don't know why it's my lucky day, but it is. This is looking great. Let me show you. You can kind of see all the moisture and the steam is still coming out. It's nice and hot. I don't see any pink left on the meat. And so there we have it. Dinner is ready in 10 minutes. So I have actually gone from frozen chicken to the table in 15 minutes. I defrosted my chicken a little bit first, sliced it up, seasoned it with the veggies, tossed it in the microwave, and while it was cooking, made the guac and salsa, and dinner was done so incredibly quick. So it's just, that's how simple it can be, and it's predictable. The flavor is amazing and it's healthy for the family. So I wanted to show you a couple of things. And that is, people are like, well, where do I start? What should I get with Epicure? And I'll tell you, I started with a 30-day plan because for me, it was the middle of lockdown. We weren't going out to eat. We were tired of the same old meals. You know, you get your 10 meals and you're like, ugh, what are we gonna make again, right? I had been in graduate school part-time and working full-time. My husband had taken on a lot of the cooking for the family. So we just kind of need to be reinvented around dinner. So we chose a 30-day What's for Dinner collection, and amazing, $90, 30 different meals. And it comes with a grocery list. That was a game changer. A meal plan and 30 different recipes using what are called meal solution packets. So like this one is the beef and broccoli, southern baked, mac and cheese, Alfredo, things like that. And then there's some jarred seasonings as well to kind of round out the recipes and complete them. So for $3 a meal, we were able to feed the whole family just something new and different and try new things. So the nice thing about the What's for Dinner collection is every month, at the beginning of the month, it changes. So even then with Epicure, you're not getting into a meal rut of the same old thing every single day. So that is a great option. Again, it's 30 days for $90. Our ethnic kits are wonderful. So this is our Good Mexican kit. It also comes with enchilada seasoning. So we have the poco picante, the fajita seasoning, and the guacamole. And with the kits, then you get 5 recipe suggestions for each product, so you don't feel like you can only use them one way. And those range in price from about $30 to $36. And there's an Asian kit with crispy, crunchy lettuce wraps. There's a Greek kit with hummus and souvlaki chicken and lemon dill dip. There's a burger kit, which is perfect for summer, and that gives you like chicken burgers, fish burgers, hamburgers, burger sauce. It's amazing. And then there's a barbecue kit where it's kind of everything centered around the barbecue and seasonings for that. So those are the 5 kits available at the moment, or you can shop a la carte and kind of take a look at different items that are available. So, and the steamer makes it fast. So people ask, can I make this without the steamer? Yes, you can. You totally can use the seasonings any way you normally would in your kitchen. The steamer speeds it up. It's also versatile. So I can put my steamer in the oven up to 425 degrees. I can put it in the dishwasher, and I can put it in the freezer and the microwave. So it's incredibly versatile. If you're looking for some tools to just make your life a little more easy, cleanup is easier. We have silicone sheet pan liners that are a dream. Cheese does not stick to them. It's great. I have a rectangular steamer that's nice and small to heat up leftovers for lunch, but I can also, if I'm cooking for 2 rather than 10, I can take part of the meal, put it in the rectangular steamer, toss it in the freezer, and when it's frozen, I can pop it out because it's silicone, it just flexes, and put it in a Ziploc bag. And then when I want to reheat those as leftovers later, it fits right back in the steamer, put the lid on, toss it in the microwave, and dinner's done. So cook once, eat twice is just a great way to go. So those are some product highlights that I thought I would share with you. There are 4 ways to use Epicure. Be a customer, support your host through the ordering link. It will be showing up tonight, and you can access that. I have a customer Facebook group that is a VIP page, and it's also going to be highlighted here tomorrow, so feel free to join that. I do giveaways, I share kitchen hacks, new recipes, just lots of ideas on how Epicure can be used in your home. You can join me as a consultant. It's been an amazing gift for our family to provide flexibility of income and time for me during this season. And you can always host. Their host reward program is absolutely amazing. And if your wish list is bigger than your budget, comment below and let me know, and I'd be happy to take a look at our schedules and see what we can do to share this with your friends and family and just get the word of Epicure out. So I also, lastly, the 4th way, I guess, would be my Good Food Club. So if you were like, ooh, I would like to do this, but I would like to pace it, I actually reward my faithful customers that order once a month by the 15th with a rewards program. And so when you order $39 by the 15th of the month, then at the end of the year, you get $100 of free product and 2 half-price items. It's absolutely an amazing opportunity. It's so great for keeping the pantry restocked. I have little perks and giveaways. I make sure you get a new season product as well as a catalog, kind of a sneak peek. So just some great options. So I am so grateful that you joined me tonight. Have a wonderful evening. Again, post your comments and questions below. If you're catching this later, just #replay. Let us know and we'll connect with you later. All right, take care. Good night.